What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the install day, baby. You gotta love it. We're swapping out this guy here. Got a nice poured solid pad all the way across, so we're not, excuse me, coffee. We're not changing that out. Air handlers inside. Got my boy Q in there right now. He's rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pump this bad boy down. We're gonna get it all inside of there. We have somebody that comes, they take it back to their house, they reclaim all the refrigerant, they do their thing with it. So life is Gucci Poochie that way. Otherwise, I'll just blow the charge and we're good to go. So let's get started. Papers in there. We good. We Gucci Poochie, y'all. So that's how we go have it set up. We'll bring the copper straight on in. I'm gonna flush the lines, make life easy. That's gonna stay there because I couldn't get that tap con out, so we'll tie that in. Pull it away from this Robolini as much as possible, but I'll probably tell them they have to probably cut that thing back, but it's got enough height off the top. We should be okay. And start jamming out on this bad bitty. Okay, I'm gonna flush both lines. There we go. Flush them in like so. Line this back out. There we go. Clean out that hose like that. And we'll just blast it through with the Nitrogena. I got it pulled away from the unit right now, too. That way it doesn't just blow all over that. This is in. We don't need to crank this thing all the way up. perfect. What you looking for? Because if you ask, I'll tell you right where it's at.
Adhesive?
Unbelievable. Don't even know. It's all the way in the front, bud.
Yeah?
Yeah. You ain't gonna get it from there, son.
Like this front?
Down below. Yeah.
Down this way?
Yeah, and that milk crate right there, son.
Perfect.
In my day, we just spit on it.
I don't see no PVC pipe. I don't see
Sure?
I don't see none.
Let's take that one because it's doubled. It's got 2 pieces.
And that shouldn't need much.
Use all the junk up.
You got any flex?
This Rubitex
Never heard.
Armor Flex.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably gonna be mine.
Okay, take what you want.
What's the bigger one? So
leave it by you so that you don't forget to clamp it on.
yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do now. That's why I'm ready to braze. So, are you you got it all positioned where you want it?
I should really have the box in position.
Units in place.
Units in place.
Filter racks there.
Filter racks there. No, you should be.
Yeah. Once I'm done here, I'll get there.
Yeah. Take your time, but we're getting everything kind of set up over there.
Yep.
So just I don't have to come back. I got some fittings. Hopefully, I got all the plumbing.
There was a box.
Yeah, I grabbed some from there.
Okay.
So this would be good in like
A pack out.
pack out. Just one big drawer.
Designated one for just for fucking that duckboard shit, one for PVC shit, and one for wiring. What else would you need for the?
Well,
One thing I'm absolutely terrible about is putting my Rubitex or Armor Flex on before I braze. It's just what I'm bad. It's what I'm known for. So we'll dig that down there a little bit. That'll come out. Ain't gonna be the prettiest. I'll clean that up afterwards. But yeah, put your Armor Flex on first. Don't be like me in any facet anyways. I don't think anybody wants to, but yeah. There we go, baby. And we can just force that one in there, no problem. So we're good there now. Go ahead and cinch this all the way back. Since we only have 2 joints, that's perfect. Ah, gotcha. But y'all thought I wasn't gonna do the rest of the work. I'm gonna pop my cores out. I will put some wet rag with a wet rag, double cautious, and we will braze this up. So yeah, we'll go ahead. I like this stuff honestly better than solder welds. Because solder welds more, it's not like, this is just more malleable, whatever, if that's the right way to say it. It just, it does, I feel like fits a whole lot better. So we'll just put that right up against that valve down there on the base, not inside the valves or anything like that, but just down there around the base of it. Because you want to be able to go. Like I said, we'll just to be on the safe side. It's better to be safe than not. And it's not wrapped the whole way around, but it'll help a little bit more. Now we're ready to braze. You guys, I know someone's gonna comment, you didn't do the nitrogen. You didn't do it. It didn't flow. Yeah. We'll flow some fucking nitro. That was my Mickey voice, by the way, for all y'all. There we go. It's in here. Now I have to switch it to the other side because it's not connected inside. Because I ain't gone there yet, but we got it right here. I'll knock this one out right quick. I think with all that water there, so while he's actually gonna be in there doing all of that, I'll at least get the low volt or the high voltage tied in, and he can do that. He can do that 4-piece. Ruud needs to redo these stupid ass panels, man. They never line up right. Freaking gotta go through, line up basically 3 holes from the door, this plate, and the plate behind it. It's just annoying, and I don't like it. It's one more thing for me to bitch about. Nitro's still flowing, so I don't know about you guys, but no oxidation gonna be happening inside of this unit. Okay. I ain't got one of them torque screwdrivers, but once this starts slipping, I know it's tight enough. It's terrible, but true. Am I talking this shit? Not a fan of the way that looks, so we're gonna go ahead and strip that back. Not like that. Oh my gosh. There we go. The old twist action, you know what I'm saying? Twist her up, make it nice and tight. Tight like a tiger. Tony the tiger. Make it tighter than a gnat's asshole. Going. This darker blue is going to be our stage 2, which is going to be black here. And it's an aluminum wire. So we got stage 2 there. Regular blue hither. It's just going to match right on up over here to this blue. That is our reversing valve. And then we'll go ahead and put our brown right up in now. That's all she wrote on our lows. And then we'll come back. Take that down a little bit. Okay. Stupid ass bugs. Slack back in here, up here. That way that's all there. All that nice and purty. She's all secured. We'll leave that open. Run a couple little straps right down the side of this. This thing's already down to 897. We're crushing it. 887. Let that do its thing. It's good to go. And like that, y'all, that's going to conclude the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bang that thing out. Funny thing is, at the end of the job, fired it up, went right out on low pressure. I'm like, son of a yeah, right? I didn't open up the suction side, the low side valve. So that'll do it. That'll definitely do it. So it went out, reset everything, got it back up and running. We're coming back tomorrow anyways to complete the job. We have another unit to do there. The upstairs unit is actually the one that had failed, but they wanted to get both done. So, but the first floor was a priority for them. So the one upstairs in the attic, new line set, new drain line, running it out. It's gonna be purty. So we're gonna jam on that one, but got that rock and rolled, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Nice raw content, nothing crazy. So if y'all could smash the like button, consider subscribing if y'all are new here. To all my subscribers, y'all already know, man, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.